Hello, my name is Hector Mestre, and today we're going to do an unboxing and setup of the Xsense home security system. Xsense is a company that is focusing on making great quality built products with some good aesthetic looks at a competitive price. So they reached out to me to see if I wanted to try their home security system, and I agree, so let's check it out. So here we go, we got the box right here. Originally, this box came inside a slip-on cover, but I just, decided to do the unboxing without that. It takes more time. So this is the motion sensor. It feels pretty solid, plastic feels good. The sensor looks like it can pick up from a good amount of distance. I have to check out the specs. And let me see what else is in here. Okay, so this looks over here like the door sensors or the contact sensors. They seem to be a little big. I don't know how uncomfortable they could be. So that's split apart, it's together. I'm guessing this is the main receiver, because it's much bigger. I have to see how to open it, but I think the battery would go in here. I wonder what kind of battery does it uses. But it looks pretty solid. I will have to just try it out. Let me see what else is in here. There's another one right here. It looks exactly the same. Oh, actually, look at this. So the battery is open right here on this one. I have to see where the top is. Okay, it's right here. So it looks like, man, I don't even know if this is a AA. It looks smaller than a AA. It could be like those short AA looking batteries. This looks like the hub. And let me tell you, the hub feels really solid. Hard plastic. It has some weight on it. It has rubber feet that goes all around the square. Let me see what's inside. Okay, so this feels like adhesive tape for the sensors. Let me see. Yup. Hopefully there's some batteries here. Oh wait, hold on. There's something else in here. I don't know what this is. Let me see. Oh my God, this is so awesome. A key fob. Wow. It looks just like a car key fob. So I guess when you get into your house, you can just turn it off and on, disable it. This is great. This is a great idea. This is pretty awesome. I wasn't expecting this. Let me see what else is in here. Let me see what other surprise we can find here. So this little bag has the little screw. What else is in here? Oh, see, so you see? So the batteries are very tiny. These are they're a little thicker than a AA battery. So this is pretty awesome, man. I can't wait until I put it together. So it comes with 3 batteries. I'm guessing the third one is for this. And I'm guessing this opens up right here, and this is where the battery goes. So it looks pretty nice, it looks cool. Wait, let me see. Okay, so the battery goes over here. And cool, guys. Let me see how to, there it goes. So it's locked now. The battery didn't make that much weight difference. Well, so guys, that's about it from here. Let me see, I don't think there's anything else down here. Wait, hold on. I guess I missed something different inside here. Let me see, more stuff. Wait, I picked up that box and it felt a little heavy. Oh, and there's some papers down here. This looks probably like a sticker or so. Let me see what else is in here before I move on. And I guess these are some instructional guides or anything like that, but I'm guessing that with the application it's very self-explanatory. Now this looks like the cable to give power onto the hub. Oh, so it's it looks like a C connection. So pretty nice, I like this. So the system looks pretty solid. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install it. So let's go for it. I am here at the front door to install the first set of contact sensors. And I'm gonna start by putting the double-sided tape. Let me see how this works. Okay, so I peel. Hopefully they're gonna be strong enough to. The size seems to be a little awkward because they're kind of big. I've seen smaller sensors than this, but let's see if it holds up throughout the time that it's there. I'm gonna grab another sticker so I can put the other side that does the connection, which this one is much smaller. I'm gonna take the tape out. There it goes. Took me a while to do that. You see, it's gonna look a little awkward, but it works because before I installed it, they were installed in the software. So I put it apart in a way that, you know, it mimics the doorway like this. I think it looks maybe a little funny, but let's try it. Let's see. Already? Let's move on. So right now I am in the back of the house at the sliding door where I'm gonna put the other set of contacts. This time the way I'm gonna put them is that I'm gonna put one vertical going like that, and then the thinner one is gonna be horizontal, which is gonna be like this. I did see before I tried it that if it worked, and it does. So let's put it on now. Alrighty, so let's start by putting the little one, just making sure that the measurement is where it needs to be. So this is a pretty blind friendly product. I can get around it really good because it has the grooves here where I can put the tape and I can feel it, right? So now that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the tape on, the double-sided tape, and I can feel the edges where it's at, and I just, you see? You can see it there. I also want to try something different. I want to go ahead and put another tape right above this so I can glue it right here on the top, and just making sure that on both sides is going to be holding good. And I do that because if you see here, it doesn't have enough space where the tape can actually hold. Now let me see if when I put the other one, open the door. Make sure you take one side off first, then you tape it, and then afterwards you take the other side of the double tape out. So now let's try opening the door to see if it works. Good. I am using about 85% of the volume. It's to your own discretion how loud you need it. Now this is the base station. Right here is right beside the actual Wi-Fi router. So to the left is the base station, to the right is the Wi-Fi router. Okay guys, the only installation missing from last night was the motion sensor, because I wasn't for sure exactly where I wanted to place it, but I decided to put it right here, right above my curtains, because directly from here is the front door from my house. That sound that you just heard is from the actual motion sensor. I have it activated. Okay, there it goes. I took the little paper off. So make sure, yeah, how I said, the light, the LED light should be off. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place it right here, which is the middle of my door. One of the coolest features that this system has is the remote control. You can arm it, disarm it, and turn on also away home. So right now, if I open the door, the alarm won't go off, right? But let's try the way home. You have to at least press it for like... Okay, so you have to at least press it for like 4 or 5 seconds. So let's try it. Let's see if it works. So, and also to disarm it, it looks like you have to at least press it for like 4 or 5 seconds. It takes a little bit, it's via Wi-Fi. Something that I'm very happy about is that the system actually talks. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it. I'm gonna arm the system. So that's a big plus for me since I'm legally blind and I might not be able to see either any LED lights or anything like that. Just to let me know that the system is armed. It talks to me and I'm very glad about that. It's something that is good to take that into consideration if you are a legally blind person or completely blind that is planning to have a system like this at their home. I recommend the system. Is very easy to use. The application is easy to navigate, especially for a legally or blind person. When I use the voiceover in my phone, I can navigate around without any interruptions. I like it a lot. But a full review would be coming within a week, just to let you guys know how I feel about it and the ups and downs. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, turn on your notifications, and if you have any questions or any comment, just write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.